at night, yeah. Make all the demons quiet, yeah. We were built to thrive, yeah. I think that we've all had enough. What keeps you up at night, yeah. Make all the demons quiet, yeah. We were built to thrive, yeah. I think that we've all had enough. Oh, yeah, I think that we've all had enough. Sick of dealing with the old plan. They know that we're calling it wrong. You got me like, oh yeah, I think that we've all had enough. Sick of dealing with the old plan. They know that we're calling it wrong. Hey, it's too late to try to go contain it. A generation fueled by creation. We live lives on a small screen nation. We control the airwaves, no negotiation. I refuse to think we need saving. Something good will come from creation. And when we think that the world is too anxious, we'll adapt, evolve, survive and save it. What keeps you up at night, yeah. Make all the demons quiet, yeah. We were built to thrive, yeah. I think that we've all had enough. What keeps you up at night, yeah. Make all the demons quiet, yeah. We were built to thrive, yeah. I think that we've all had enough. Oh yeah, I think that we've all had enough. Sick of dealing with the old plan. They know that we're calling it wrong. You got me like, oh yeah, I think that we've all had enough. Sick of dealing with the old plan. They know that we're calling it wrong. Hey, oh yeah, I think that we've all had enough. Sick of dealing with the old plan. They know that we're calling it wrong. You got me like.
Device. It's pretty good. It gets instant connected as you open up the box and instantly gets disconnected as you put the AirPods back in it and close the box. Looking forward to the comfort. It fits really well and gives a kind of isolation of about 85% from the surrounding noise. Moving on to the part you are eagerly waiting for, the sound quality. Like for online gaming and streaming purpose. For gaming purpose, the sound has a noticeable delay, but for the purpose of streaming, it isn't that noticeable. Overall, among all true wireless earphones under 3000, they are really worth buying if the purpose is not specifically for gaming. For more in-depth details, I am providing a detailed rating of the things you might looking for in the earphone so that you can easily decide whether to buy it or not. Hope you like my first review video. Please do like, comment, share and subscribe and tell me your thoughts regarding my first review video. Thank you.